welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another hair video. I'm attempting to do a flexi rod set for the first time ever. And I'm actually gonna do it on stretched hair. I think I've attempted to do it on like wet hair and it didn't work. Basically, I'm gonna go wash my hair, take a shower, blow dry it, and then we'll come back when I'm putting the flexi rods in my head. And we'll see how it comes out. So I will see you when we're out of the shower. Hello, beautiful people. We are back. My hair has been blow dried to be stretched, and we are now about to attempt my first flexi rod set. I have 20 flexi rods. There's two different sizes. There's like this small blue one and then a larger purple one. I don't know if there's gonna be enough on my blown out hair. We're gonna see how that goes, but I'm gonna try to make it work. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I watched somebody do this, but I don't really know what I'm doing. I've already like put leave-in conditioner when I was like straightening my hair. I have some hair oil, so I'm gonna be applying that to like my scalp. And then I'm going to be putting like a little bit of gel on it before I like wrap it. But that's my strategy. Should I use a twisting cream? Because I'm not doing twist. So I don't know if I should use a twisting cream. I'm gonna go get one just in case. Okay. So I have this little bit of my Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream. So we're gonna try that. I'm gonna attempt to do the first few on camera and then we'll just time lapse through the rest of them and see how this goes. But basically, I don't wanna like part it because I don't want it to be like perfect sections. I'm just gonna like grab some hair here. Comment down below if I'm doing this all wrong so that I can get better at this, but also we'll see the results. So we will see. All right, so we have this section here. I'm going to take some of the twist cream. I'm only gonna take a little bit to give it like, you know, a little wet, a little malleable. And then I'm also gonna put some gel. This is the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. So, okay, and we are going to wrap this and then wrap here and then we are going to, I believe we're just gonna twist it around, right? I saw Vicky Logan like use one thing and make two curls. I don't know how tight this needs to be either. But okay, I'm gonna do the other side. All right. Okay. And then I'm just gonna twist this around and twist this around. I'm gonna time lapse this and I'll be back when I'm done. Hopefully I have enough. Okay, so we did something. Is it gonna come out right? I don't know, but we did something. We gonna see how that works out. But yeah, we did it. These like lift up at the end. I don't know if they're supposed to like lock back together. Is that a thing? And like, do I need to make them in a spiral or is this okay? We gonna find out. I don't know. I'm a little nervous. This is my first time doing this. And I've had these flexi rods for years. And I just was like, this probably isn't gonna go well. So I just never did it. But you know, this year we are trying to be better and we're trying to do our own hairstyles and learning more things. So we're gonna see how this goes. I will talk to y'all tomorrow when we're taking this down, okay? Good morning, beautiful people. We are back. We have slept. It has been about 9 hours. By the time I finished last night, it was like midnight, 9:24 now. This is what we are looking like here. So let's attempt to take these out. I'm gonna put some oil on my hands just to help reduce some frizz. We'll see how it went, all right? I'm gonna start back here. Okay. Let's see. That one wasn't great. Some of them I did like 2 on 1. So I need to like unwrap them 2 different ways. And some of these, like I didn't even have water on my head, but like they're still not completely dry. Maybe I should have like set underneath the dryer. Hold on. We might need to sit underneath the dryer for a little bit. Like you see, like this is not what we were going for. So we're gonna be back. Okay. Round 2, let's try this again. I sat under just a hooded dryer thing for about 30 minutes. So let's see if that made it. I mean, a little curlier. That's just sticking straight up. Okay. So this is not what I was going for. This section right here just has like conditioner or twisting cream on the end. None of the other pieces look like they have that. But yeah, this is not really what I was going for. However, we are going to make the most of it. I'm gonna go separate this out in the mirror and come back and show you my final results. If you have any tips for me on how to improve on my Flexi rod set, please let me know. Okay, so I put a headband on and I like tucked these so it was like a bang kind of situation. I'm not mad at it that much. It's just not the result that I wanted. I wanted more of like a defined fluff, you know? I like the fluff, I do. I think it also helped that it was on stretched hair. I do. I just don't necessarily, I just wish there was more definition. So tell me what I did wrong. Let me know. Love the volume. Not gonna lie, I love the volume. I just want more defined. If you have any tips for that, comment down below. If you like content like this, I will link all of my other hair videos up in the cards, and we will see you in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't already. All right. Bye, beautiful people. I'm watching Insecure, catching up. Yes, I'm late. Yes, I'm behind. And I'm at the point where she meets Nathan and they just had a whole day in LA like they weren't strangers. And she invited this man to her house. I just don't really understand. But do you, Issa, girl? Do you, Issa? But anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep now. My gardeners.